What is the best waterproof motorcycle jacket? It's a question many riders think about at some point in their riding life. We've all been riding on a nice sunny day, wearing a mesh motorcycle jacket, and all of the sudden it starts to rain. The first thing that comes to my mind is, wow, I need to find some shelter. Who wants to come home soaking wet? I know I don't, which is the reason I put together a list of the top waterproof riding jackets, in leather, mesh and textile. It isn't until you own a waterproof motorcycle jacket that you see how useful they really are. Take a look at the top 3 waterproof motorcycle jacket reviews. Number 1. Alpinestars Andes Drystar. The Alpinestars Andes Drystar is our first choice for the best waterproof textile motorcycle jacket. Literally, every aspect of this jacket provides the rider with the ultimate in rain protection. From the waterproof cargo pockets to the inner lining, Alpena Stars did everything possible to ensure this jacket keeps you dry. One of the added bonuses of this bad boy is the ability to have attachable waterproof motorcycle jacket and trousers. Alpinestars does this via a zipper that is attached to the jacket. If you're looking for both a jacket and pants which are 100% waterproof motorcycle clothing, then you can't beat the value of the Andes Drystar. Number 2. Pilot Motorsport Transurban V2. Have you ever had issues with cars almost running you down late at night, because they can't see you? One thing I can tell you about the Transurban is that with Transurban that will no longer be an issue. It's made with a sturdy textile material and is available in super bright colors which make you stand out and in turn keep you safe. Not to mention it's 100% waterproof and windproof. This can come in handy in areas with heavy wind and potential tornado weather. The jacket does a great job sealing out the cold by using a heavy zipper to keep you warm. The Pilot Motorsport Transurban V2 in the shoulders and elbows is flexible and allows freedom of movement and is covered with an additional layer of tough Pilotex material. Number 3. Alpinestars TG PR. The Alpinestars TG is a full waterproof riding jacket which is lined with a comfort fit mesh material. It comes with an awesome snap fastening volume control system, which provides the rider with complete control of exactly how the jacket fits. The TGPR is a 100% waterproof riding jacket, which is seal-taped to make sure absolutely no moisture gets into this thing. This motorcycle jacket comes equipped with Alpinestars exclusive dynamic flow control zippered air intakes, which keeps the jacket nice and cool on the inside. When it comes to choosing a motorcycle jacket or waterproof motorcycle suit, you must keep in mind that these are not the best option for all-weather riding. A waterproof jacket is entirely different from a water-resistant jacket, as water resistance just means if you happen to get some water splashed on you, everything will be fine. With a waterproof jacket you are 100% protected from the elements, and rain will never be a problem again. Click the links below to buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel for more reviews.